The vital National Highway 6 that connects Meghalaya with other northeastern states has now started the repairing work and is expected that the road would be fit and fine by March next year. Santa Maria Shilla, who recently inspected the road, informed that the repairing work is 50% completed and the contractor is making his best attempts to expedite the whole repairing work. Asked about the frequent landslides which hampers the road and affects traffic movement, she said that an amount of Rs 190 crores is likely to be sanctioned next year for resolving the issues.
It's just that we are waiting for the road to be completed at the moment, and NH6 is on it is in a speedy pace at the moment. That the contractor is trying their best to finish up the work. Right now, the work has been completed, say 50% till Sonapur, and the work is going on, slowly. We are hoping that by March, the people should be happy and get the work on.
And